this video, you will learn how to create this logo in a very simple way. In our previous tutorial, we stopped at crop tool. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use zoom tool and the palm tool. Zoom tool. What is zoom tool used for? Zoom tool is used to preview the hidden part of our work. So let's say that I want to preview the hidden part of this work. What will I do? I will pick the zoom tool. When I right click, I will zoom out. Right click is zoom out, left click is zoom in. So right click is zoom out, left click is zoom in. So if I want to preview the hidden part of this work, what will I do? I will select this part, the part that I want to zoom. When I select that particular part, I let go of the mouse, it will zoom it. So that is the work of zoom. Palm tool. What is palm tool used for? Palm tool is also to show the hidden part of our work. The difference between palm tool and the zoom tool is that palm tool is all about dragging. You have to drag your workspace. When you drag your workspace up, you preview the hidden part of that particular place. So that is the usefulness and the functionality of palm tool. So without wasting our time, let's go to the main subject of this tutorial. So right now I'm going to create this logo in a very simple way for you guys. So when you examine this logo now, you will see that this logo consists of a circular object. To create this logo now, first of all, we're going to pick an ellipse. So when you pick an ellipse, make sure that you hold your control key so that the circle will be in perfect shape. So you hold the control key, let go. So when you let go of the control key, now we have to apply color, black color. We remove the outline. Okay. So right now we're gonna need this shape. Now to get this shape, we're going to get the rectangular tool. So you get the rectangular tool, you draw a rectangle here. You draw a rectangle here. You drag this place up. So you draw a rectangular tool here. Okay, when you are done, you pick shape 2. You get shape 2. With shape 2, make sure you click this. Make sure that this key is not closed. If the key is closed, means that it's going to apply to all the corner. So when the key is not closed, means that you are going to apply to the specific corner. So it's just like applying a border radius. So I make it 70/70 and press enter. So let's see. You drag it close. Apply white color on it. So now, since we are done with this particular one, so what we do now is that we have to duplicate this object. To duplicate this object now, you hold shift. When you hold shift, you bring it together. When you are bringing it together, before you let go of the mouse, you right click so that it's going to duplicate immediately. You right click. When you right click, you let go of the mouse before letting go of the shift key. Now we'll give this place black. Now we have to duplicate another one for this particular size. So have you seen it? Now we are going to get this place. To get this place now, you choose the rectangular tool. You draw a rectangle here. You give it black color. You bring it close and right click. You give it white color. Now you select both of them. When you select both of them, you click it again so that the rotation angle will appear. With the help of the rotation angle, you will rotate it so when you are done with rotating it, you select all of them. You right click, you choose power clip inside, you power clip it inside this black container. Now they have all gone inside. You choose this one, you right click on this one, choose power clip, your power clip it inside this one. You right click on this one, convert to curves. You choose shape 2. Click on this, you remove the outline. You right click on this, you click convert to curves. You use shape 2, you bring it up like this. Bring it close. Have you seen it? This is how to create this logo in a very simple way. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.